Hey guys, what's going on? So today I'm going to be showing you a little conspiracy discovery that I came across, and it has to do with chemtrails. So the Alexa got updated, and now when you ask her what are chemtrails, she will now say that they are water vapor trails. They have not made this update yet in the Google Voice on the Google Maps app. So, sorry, that was my kid, guys. So anyways, when I ask, hey Google, what are chemtrails?
Here's the definition of
Here it goes.
chemtrail. A visible trail left in the sky by an aircraft and believed by some to consist of chemical or biological agents released as part of a covert operation.
A covert operation? That's what Google Voice has to say about that, and she doesn't give a website name or anything about it. That's very creepy, guys. I'm just saying, I know I try to hunt down conspiracies, but this is right out in the open. So one last time, and I'll talk a little so that way you know I'm not messing with the audio. Hey Google, what are chemtrails?
Here's the definition of chemtrail. A visible trail left in the sky by an aircraft and believed by some to consist of chemical or biological agents released as part of a covert operation.
This video is not fake. I just want to let you guys know that, and for anybody that thinks that this is a conspiracy, open up Google Maps, start a navigation, and unless it's a different update, it could work differently on phones. I'm not 100% sure, but uh-oh, my kid's getting upset though, guys. These aren't conspiracies, this is true facts. Look into it. Subscribe to my channel. I'm coming, chunk! Peace. Oh, shoot.